Good morning. I'm here at Riverdale, right by the 91 freeway, exit Glassell, and this is a really neat townhome community. It's bright and early Saturday morning. I'm going to take you through one of the cutest townhomes. They all have this cute little patio area right here, as you can see, and they're all 2 bedrooms. The one I've got to show today is been decorated Magnolia Home inspired, and if you can see behind me, it's a really cute area, and they've got HOA, pool, kitty, tot lot, and it's got the excellent school districts as well, Villa Park, Cerro Villa, but I can tell you more about that later. Hang on and you can come see why this is cheaper than renting and much cuter. This is the super cute courtyard here, and she's clearly a decorator. I'm gonna get into the unit as soon as my lockbox lets me in, but as you can see, there's plenty of space here for entertaining. And so this is the office that she's using it as the office. It's a large ensuite with a bathroom, full bath over here. And what is really cute is one of these, my favorite thing, I guess, about the property is her laundry room. These are dog clothes. Very sweet. This girl is just adorable. Look at this. For her dog.